Hood fellas, I'm a cowboy, man. I'm a cocaine cowboy. Slash, I'm a hood fella all day.
That's right, who fella going cowboy.
When you see that, man, hood fella, slide up, boy, that's black diamonds in the dirt. Yeah. Out of the barrel.
Good, it's done.
Smoking it down.
That's it. Yeah.
You know I got to see all them footage pop.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what you did.
I got a few headshots from this one, pop.
Oh, you got a bunch of headshots on that one, pal.
Hold up. I took his fucking head off with these, you know what I'm saying? I couple headshots, baby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And you see the aim is on point too. I don't just rap, man. My aim is on point. It's on game. I'm here. You see his body tore the fuck up from the toys, man. I had fun. Her fucking baby for life.